I'm screaming hot. I'm cast iron, thermal shock. I just cracked. $50 pan destroyed. Let me cool first.
Object talking videos are going insanely viral, and I'm about to show you how to make them for free. Random pages with no personality are blowing up overnight. A talking object is beating creators who work for years. So here's the full tutorial to make these videos for free. I'll show you 2 free ways to make this, and you choose which one wins.
All right, let's get this story started. Time to bring these ideas to life. This is going to be fun.
Step 1. Turn any object into a character. This is where everything starts. For this step, we are using a custom GPT called Object Talk. Open ChatGPT, go to the sidebar, click Explore GPTs, and type Object Talk in the search bar. You will see multiple results, but make sure you click this one. Start the chat. Now you are ready. Simply type the object you want to make talk. That's it. Literally type something like laptop or headphones or book. Anything can become a character now. Once you send the object name, the GPT instantly generates 3 things for you: image prompts for the main object, extra image prompts for supporting objects, and a full script with dialogue. So now you have the entire idea, the characters and the words all done for you. Copy the first image prompt because we are moving to step 2. Step 2, turn prompts into perfect images. For image generation, we are using Whisk. You can Google it or just use the link in the description. Once you open Whisk, select the image ratio you want, then paste the image prompt and click generate. Wait a few seconds. And just like that, you get 2 clean, cinematic images with perfect lighting, background, and character design without watermark. It honestly feels illegal. Pick the one you like the most. Now repeat the exact same process for the rest of the prompts. Once your image is ready, we move to the easiest step. Step 3, make the image talk using VEO3. Now we turn images into talking videos. For this, we are using Google Flow AI with the VEO3 model. It is free but limited. You can generate around 10 videos per month. I will give you an alternative in a second. Inside Google Flow, click Create Project. Select Ingredients to Video, upload your object image. Now copy the dialogue from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Here is the trick that makes it 10 times better. Add something like, "He is saying aggressively," or "He is saying emotionally." Then click Generate, and boom, the object starts talking.
I'm not just ink, I'm commitment. Every word you write makes things real. I'm not just ink, I'm commitment. Every word you write makes things real. You hesitate, I don't. Use me, K, or stay undecided forever.
The mouth moves. The expressions change. The character feels alive, which is both cool and slightly terrifying. Repeat this for the rest of your images. In just a few minutes, you will have multiple talking clips ready. Now, if Google Flow does not work for you, here is your backup plan. Go to grok.com and click the Imagine tab. Upload your image, select the video model and the ratio you are using, then type what the character should say. In a few seconds, the object starts talking.
I'm not just ink, I'm commitment. I'm not just ink, I'm commitment. Every word you write makes things real. You hesitate, I don't. Use me or stay undecided forever.
Do the same thing for all your scenes. You can combine all these clips to create a longer video. And one important thing, do not copy the script exactly. Make it funnier, make it smarter, make it more savage. Now imagine this. What if we create longer videos like this with an interesting story and consistent characters using only free tools? Something like mini Pixar style movie. If you want a full tutorial for that, hit like and comment full tutorial. If we hit